In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to fix the BIOS Firmware Update Required or Failed Attestation Status error in Call of Duty. Let's begin. Start by opening the game launcher where Call of Duty is installed. If you're using the Xbox app, launch it and locate Call of Duty in your library. Click the three-dot menu next to the game and select Manage. Next, go to the Files section and choose Browse to open the installation directory. Once the game folder appears, open the Call of Duty folder and then navigate to the Content folder. Inside this folder, look for Codebroker Installer. Right-click on the file and select Run as administrator. Then approve the user account control prompt by clicking Yes. Wait for the process to finish. After that, try launching the game to see if the issue has been resolved. If the error still appears, return to the same Content folder and find the file named Enroll. Right-click it and choose Run as administrator. Then click Yes to continue. Once both tools have completed their tasks, restart your PC if necessary. Finally, launch Call of Duty Warzone again and check whether the BIOS firmware update or failed attestation status error has been successfully fixed.